First things first, just touched down in Goa. I have come to this place called Montego, and if you come to Goa and you land in Mapusa, contact Ratna. He'll sort you out with a bike or a ride to wherever you need to go. I'll put his number down below. You can get in touch with him while I'm gonna go get some food. What's up? And that's the beach.
Yes, sir.
And these old people are eating food. So we're at Cafe Montego. You can see that behind me. It's a pretty nice spot, but the best thing about it is the view. Like, there's a nice beach behind me. Sipping some Irish coffee, enjoying the vibe. And we haven't yet checked in, so we just waited here until we got a little refreshed, had some food, a little coffee, and we'll see what this trip has to offer. We ended up in a place called Cafe Stonewood. Now it's time to see how stony the wood is. So now we're going to check out the rooms of Stonewood. We have Salman Khan out here. Ooh. Not bad, not bad. It's a nice bathroom, it does the job. And he's been working out for 6 months, so please mention that in the comments. And yeah, this is Goa. For everybody who knows me, this jersey has probably been on every single trip of mine till now. And right now, we are at Morjim Beach. There are a few boats here, things like that. It's nice, it's clean, it's empty. And the part behind me, it looks a little bit like Havelock Island in the Andamans, which is quite nice. And yeah, let's go have a look at the beach. That's the gang, boys trip. I am testing getting my hair braided. She's very kind. And we shall see how this turns out. Should I get a full braid? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hello. Pretty cool. It's time to rock this in Goa. All the best for your business. Morning. We have decided to go to this place called the Bodhi tree. It's right behind me. I'll show you the inside in a second. It's going to be fun. Do you have a tiny wallet? Like, it's so tiny that when a girl sees the size of your wallet, their clothes come back on. Well, you know the problem with most men? They believe it's genetic. They believe they can't do anything about it. But let me tell you, you watch this video, decide to fill up your wallet, make it like nice and hard and throbbing.
Some of the largest sums of money I've ever made in my life have been made with transient opportunities. That's how money works. It's not very often you find an opportunity which exists for 10 or 15 years and allows you to make money and everyone else to get involved to make money. They do exist. But in general, you do something quick, you do something fast, you do something first, and by the time other people find out about it, the money's already been made. Crypto is a perfect example of this. Bitcoin's an absolutely perfect example. DeFi, anyone who's been following me for a long time knows we were back in cake, way back when it was pennies. So we were always been ahead of the curve. Being ahead of the curve is extremely important, and that's why having a network of people who are also ahead of the curve is extremely important. You as one man have a life to live, and you only have a certain amount of human waking hours, and you only have one set of eyes. You cannot pay attention to absolutely everything. You need to be part of a network of people who are paying attention to things for you so that you can benefit. That's how I benefit most. I wake up every day and I spend about an hour going through opportunities. They're laid on my table, laid out in front of me. And that's how I continually make money, perpetually into the sky, endless success. Hustle's University was fantastic, but it was matrix controlled. We used matrix controlled payment mechanisms and matrix controlled servers, and we were teaching you as much as we could teach, but we understood that had some limitations. We had to censor ourselves to a degree. There were certain opportunities for quick money which we couldn't tell you because it was against the terms and conditions, the vague, never-ending censorship inside of these matrix controlled positions. We always intended on escaping the matrix and building our own platform outside in the real world, and my cancellation has done nothing but accelerate our plans. The real world is coming. Everything from the payment processing through to the actual hosting of the application itself is controlled by us inside of the real world, and we can teach you things that we never could teach before. When you're inside of the real world, prepare. You might get a message, your phone might beep at 3 in the morning with a 4-hour countdown, because it's only 4 hours that you can make some money. You have to decide if you're going to wake up or stay asleep.
Mandrem Beach, and I had to take that's the DO we rented. I had to stop for a moment to just like look at this beach behind me. Look at that. Stay tuned, we're going to do some cool stuff soon. Now approaching Mandrem Beach, and when I turn around, you're going to see the beach with my friends' heads in the middle. But wait for it, I'm going to send you a detailed view of this dirty beach very soon. Okay, so our trip is coming to an end. This is the kind of private-ish beach behind me at the resort now. Before I end the video, I want to talk about the most important thing in business or anything in life, and that is speed. Now think about it this way. I could have sat at home and watched my friends go on this trip and view their stories. But here I am, recovering. My face is still swollen. I don't have my bottom teeth yet because I can't wear my dentures because the stitches are still in there. I'm still healing, but I'm here. Like, I could have waited 3 weeks. I could have waited for 3 weeks to recover, then go on a trip. But speed is everything. If you understand the power of 3 weeks, click on the link below, and 3 weeks can literally change your life. I'm here in Goa on a Thursday because I wanted to be here. So, give it a shot. These guys have become very old. He's 30, he's 32, and they're giving people age 30 a very bad example. So don't be like them when you're 30. Be ripped and be full of energy, because life is to be lived. That dog agrees with me as well. Good dog. You're the man.